Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable scroll restoration in React Router for correct UX, full guide step by step clearly. To disable scroll restoration in React Router, begin by ensuring you have the If you haven't already, install React Router using your package manager. Once installed, open your main application file where you set up your router. Import the necessary components from React Router. This typically includes browser router, routes, and route. Next, find the section where you define your routes. You will want to customize the behavior of the scroll restoration feature. To do this, you may need to create a custom function to handle scroll behavior. Inside your router setup, wrap your routes inside a scroll restoration component. You can either create your own scroll restoration component or utilize one from another library. In the custom scroll restoration component, use the useEffect hook to manage scroll positions. Check for the current location and adjust the scroll position accordingly. Make sure to implement logic that clears the default scroll restoration behavior. Within your useEffect, set the scroll position to 0 on each location change. This will ensure the viewport resets to the top every time the user navigates. Next, implement a cleanup function to maintain efficiency. This function can remove any event listeners if you added them. Finally, test your application to confirm that scroll restoration is disabled as expected. Navigate through your routes and observe the scroll behavior. Make adjustments in your code as necessary to enhance user experience. By following these steps, you will successfully disable scroll restoration in React Router. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.